We got this product from the company for this video to review, and this has been a really amazing nail trimmer. So this is a nail trimmer that can be used with this whole piece right here. It can ground down the nails and then also Dremel the nails too on this side, so that way they'll be nice and smooth. But I really like the way that they trim the nails. To turn it on, you just press it once and you'll see that it will light up and they'll be at the number 1. There's 3 different levels on here. And as you can hear, it's not too loud at all. There's also a blue light, so it adds some illumination. I can put my finger right on here, and it's not getting caught or stuck or cut. It won't pinch the finger or it won't cut the finger, so that's fantastic. I've used this on myself, and I've used this on this little guy. And it only takes a couple seconds, too, and this is just on level 1. Done! That's one hand. Done already. So to empty this, you're just going to turn this, and that'll open up this component here, and then when you go ahead to dump it, any of the nail grinds will be right in there, and then you can just throw it in the trash after. This also comes with a little brush here, so that way you can clean off the brush head if you wanted to, and then also inside that component too as well, and you have a narrow brush and a wider brush too. It does come with a USB-C cord, so you can also charge this up as well. You'll just unplug this and plug it in. And then the USB-C port is right here along the side. Then you'll just plug this into a brick or plug it into the wall if you have an outlet that's already there. But I really like this. This is a great tool. It makes cutting nails so much easier for him and myself. I mean, it works well on adults and children. So I would definitely say take a look at this. It's been a great tool so far, right?